The Audi A3 has long occupied a unique position in the premium compact sedan segment. It delivers the prestige of the Audi brand in a practical, approachable package, while serving as a showcase for technologies that often debut in larger and more expensive models. For 2027, Audi is giving the A3 family one of its most significant interior transformations yet. Covering the Audi A3, S3, and RS3, the update introduces larger displays, a redesigned dashboard, expanded driver assistance capabilities, and a more digitally focused user experience. While the exterior remains familiar, the cabin represents a major step forward and offers a glimpse into the future direction of Audi's compact luxury lineup. At the heart of the redesign is a completely reimagined dashboard. Audi has embraced a more screen-centric approach that mirrors what has already appeared in newer models across its range. The previous dashboard architecture has been replaced by a layout built around larger digital displays that now sit proudly atop the dashboard rather than being integrated beneath a traditional cowl. This change immediately alters the visual character of the cabin. The interior feels more modern, more technical, and more aligned with current expectations for premium automotive design. The centerpiece of this transformation is a new 12.8-inch central touchscreen. Compared with the 10.1-inch display found in the outgoing model, the increase in size is substantial. The larger screen provides more room for navigation, media controls, vehicle settings, connectivity functions, and driver information. It also creates a stronger focal point within the cabin, reinforcing the idea that digital interaction now plays a central role in the driving experience. Complementing the infotainment display is a new 11.9-inch digital gauge cluster. This screen replaces the previous 10.3-inch unit and further enhances Audi's renowned Virtual Cockpit system. Drivers can access a wide range of information directly in front of them, including speed, navigation guidance, driver assistance status performance data, and customizable layouts. The larger format improves readability while giving the instrument panel a more premium and contemporary appearance. Together, these displays create a highly digital environment that feels significantly more advanced than before. Audi's objective is not simply to provide larger screens. The goal is to improve usability, increase information accessibility, and deliver a more immersive experience for drivers and passengers alike. As software becomes increasingly important in modern vehicles, the interface through which drivers interact with that software becomes equally critical. One of the most noticeable visual changes involves how the screens are integrated into the dashboard. Rather than sitting within a recessed housing, both displays now stand freely above the dashboard surface. This floating arrangement creates a lighter and more open aesthetic while emphasizing the importance of the digital interface. Audi has also added a strip of accent lighting along the base of the display assembly, contributing to a more sophisticated atmosphere during nighttime driving. The dashboard itself has undergone significant restructuring to accommodate this new layout. Air vents that were previously positioned near the top of the dashboard have been relocated lower down. This change allows the screens to occupy a more prominent position while maintaining airflow functionality. The revised arrangement also contributes to a cleaner visual presentation and helps create a stronger horizontal emphasis across the cabin. As part of the redesign, Audi appears to have significantly reduced the number of physical buttons. This reflects a broader industry trend toward digital controls and touchscreen-based interfaces. Functions that once relied on dedicated switches are increasingly managed through software. While opinions vary regarding the balance between physical and digital controls, Audi's approach clearly prioritizes a cleaner appearance and a more technologically advanced environment. The center console has also received attention. The wireless charging pad has been repositioned and angled toward the driver. Although this may seem like a minor detail, it demonstrates Audi's focus on ergonomics and convenience. The revised placement improves accessibility and makes it easier for drivers to interact with their devices when necessary. Small adjustments such as this often contribute significantly to overall user satisfaction during everyday use. Another notable update is the redesigned steering wheel. Audi has incorporated a physical scroll wheel into the design, providing tactile control for selected functions. In an era where many manufacturers are experimenting with touch-sensitive surfaces, the inclusion of a physical control element reflects an effort to maintain intuitive usability. The steering wheel remains one of the most important points of interaction between driver and vehicle, and refinements here can have a meaningful impact on the driving experience. Beyond visual and ergonomic improvements, Audi has also focused heavily on driver assistance technology. Modern luxury vehicles are increasingly expected to support drivers through advanced safety and convenience systems, and the 2027 A3 family expands its capabilities considerably in this area. One of the most significant additions is Adaptive Cruise Assist Plus. This system combines adaptive cruise control with active lane guidance to create a more comprehensive highway driving assistant. By managing both speed and lane positioning, the technology reduces driver workload during long journeys while helping maintain a safe and consistent driving experience. The system is capable of performing lane changes on highways when requested by the driver. By activating the turn signal, the driver can instruct the vehicle to initiate a lane change, with the system monitoring surrounding traffic and assisting in the maneuver. This functionality reflects the increasing sophistication of modern driver assistance technologies and their ability to support complex driving tasks. Audi has also expanded the system's ability to respond to traffic conditions. The updated A3 can automatically brake for red traffic lights, helping drivers navigate urban environments more safely and conveniently. In situations where the vehicle does not come to a complete stop, it can also accelerate again once the traffic signal turns green. This level of automation demonstrates how driver assistance systems are evolving beyond simple cruise control functions and becoming more integrated into everyday driving scenarios. Perhaps one of the most interesting technological developments is Audi's implementation of swarm data. This concept involves using information collected from other vehicles that have previously traveled along the same roads. By leveraging shared data, the vehicle can make more informed decisions about speed, positioning, and route conditions. For example, the system can adjust adaptive cruise control settings to match the average speed typically maintained on a particular road. Rather than relying solely on immediate sensor inputs, the vehicle benefits from a broader pool of driving information gathered from real-world conditions. This approach has the potential to create smoother and more natural vehicle behavior while improving overall efficiency. Swarm data also supports lane positioning in situations where road markings may not be clearly visible. By referencing previously collected information, the vehicle can maintain more accurate positioning even when environmental conditions make traditional lane detection difficult. This capability highlights how connected technologies are beginning to enhance vehicle intelligence beyond what onboard sensors alone can achieve. Parking assistance has likewise received significant enhancements. The updated system now includes a remote parking function that allows drivers to exit the vehicle before it parks itself. This feature can be particularly useful in tight parking spaces where opening doors after parking may be difficult. By enabling the parking process to occur without occupants inside the vehicle, Audi increases both convenience and practicality. Even more impressive is the system's ability to learn and memorize specific parking sequences. Drivers can teach the vehicle a particular parking maneuver, which the system then stores for future use. Once memorized, the vehicle can repeat the sequence automatically whenever required. This represents a step toward more personalized automation, where the vehicle adapts to individual user needs, rather than relying solely on predefined functions. These advancements reflect a broader philosophy that increasingly defines modern automotive development. Vehicles are no longer evaluated solely on mechanical performance. Software, connectivity, automation, and user experience have become equally important factors. Audi's updates to the A3 family demonstrate a clear understanding of this shift. Importantly, Audi has managed to introduce these innovations while preserving the core character that has made the A3 successful. The model remains a compact luxury sedan designed for everyday usability. It continues to offer premium quality, sophisticated design, and a refined driving experience. The new technology does not replace these attributes. Instead, it enhances them. The inclusion of larger screens, more advanced software, and expanded driver assistance systems helps ensure that the A3 remains competitive in an increasingly digital marketplace. Buyers today expect their vehicles to integrate seamlessly into their connected lifestyles. Navigation, entertainment, communication, and safety functions must work together effortlessly. Audi's latest updates are clearly aimed at meeting those expectations. At the same time, the company recognizes the importance of maintaining driver engagement. Features such as the redesigned steering wheel and carefully considered ergonomics show that human interaction remains a priority. Technology is intended to support the driving experience rather than overwhelm it. For the performance-oriented S3 and RS3 variants, these updates are particularly significant. While enthusiasts often focus on powertrain specifications and dynamic capabilities, modern performance vehicles must also excel in digital functionality. The enhanced displays provide better access to performance information, while improved software and driver assistance systems contribute to a more complete ownership experience. Ultimately, the 2027 Audi A3 family represents an evolution rather than a revolution. The vehicle retains the strengths that have defined it for years while embracing the technological direction shaping the future of the automotive industry. Larger displays, a cleaner dashboard, smarter assistance systems, connected intelligence, and enhanced convenience features combine to create a more advanced and more capable premium compact sedan. As Audi continues to expand its digital ecosystem across its lineup, the A3 now stands as a clear example of where the brand is headed. The familiar buttons may be disappearing, but in their place arrives a more connected, more intelligent, and more sophisticated driving experience. For buyers seeking premium technology in a compact package, the updated 2027 Audi A3, S3, and RS3 demonstrate that the future of luxury mobility is increasingly defined by software, information, and seamless interaction between driver and machine.